So it's an easy process, and people find that it's very acceptable, and it's immediately when you feel results, then you're ready to come back. So lately I'd had some knee problems and knee surgery on my meniscus, and so I was thinking I would like to see if the acupuncture could also go and treat my knees, and so I sought out this pain-free acupuncture clinic with Gail because it was in a building very convenient to me and among some other professionals that I was using. If you're having chronic pain, if you're having trouble sleeping at night, then this is something that can help. That was the first thing. She goes, well, how's your knees feel? And I think I hadn't thought about it. And I'd slept without going to sleep at night thinking, oh, my knees are hurting. I hope I can go to sleep quickly. So it was a great and a pleasant alternative, and it worked quickly. The next thing I needed treatment with is I had come off of a holiday Christmas cravings of carbohydrates and sugars, and so I asked Gail, I said, could you treat that too? And so she did some treatments, and after the first treatment I could tell immediately I wasn't thinking about food all the time. I wasn't thinking about what my hand could reach into for the next fix. So I'm still hungry when I'm supposed to be hungry, but I'm not craving. And I've had a great experience with Gail. She's pleasant, she's professional, she's easy to be around, and if she's always considerate of the treatment itself. I'm happy, very happy. If you would like to try something that you're not popping some drugs every day, which is not good for you, and you're just having an open mind and you're willing to try something a little different, and when you see those results, then you'll be back.